Once on inspection having to do with the crawl space, which they're now fixing. Second time around, the buyers talked to a builder to understand the cost to do the improvements they wanted to do, just to figure out that the end product, based on their requirements, was going to be too expensive. So this is a good size room upstairs. Again, the one and only bathroom is downstairs, adjacent to that little bonus room. These are their side-by-side closets here, one here and one here. Doors galore. Romeo and Juliet. Peak 1, or the 10 Mile, is out there. A little hazy to see it today though.